Testing, testing. What's going on? How we doing? Still not working? I can't just reset it now because I'm working.
What am I supposed to do? Just
try refreshing it.
I have been.
Take it in the Braden's room and connect it. I can't just keep resetting it. Get in the Braden's room.
On my monitor.
You do it every day. You've been doing it every day. Bringing it down here. You've been working on the table out there. Aren't you using the same setup? Guys, I might disappear for a second. And I've been busy. Oh, I gotta reboot the router. I should come back fairly quickly. Hopefully. Alright, rebooting. Be right back. Back. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, check that. Check you out. Check you. Nice little candle here. Uh-oh. Froze for a second. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm looking at. Oh, there we go. I'm so tempted to take a trade here, but I'm just gonna leave it. If we can get up through 300, up through the highs, I'll be interested. Nice, Don. Good stuff. Close to 300 there. We'll see if we can get up closer there. Anybody find out a way to get volume candles on Tradeify, by the way? Question mark. My Quantower is having issues connecting. Cancel that and get that back up. Juggy, let me get set up here. Did it ruin my... did me resetting also ruin the noises? Yep, it sure did. All right, hold on. Now I gotta reconnect all these things. Give me a sec. I'm looking up through the highs now. I'm not looking for anything less than like 320, 325. Yeah, hold on. I think I gotta reboot the my streamer bot. All right, so it works in streamer bot itself, but for some reason it's not connecting to YouTube. You all can log into Tradeify now, right? I can log in now, so I was just curious if you guys could. Okay. And to make sure I wasn't getting special privileges. We're getting dangerously close to that 20%. Well, I mean, we still got a little ways to go, but starting to get excited. Hopefully we can keep it consistent. Turn the music down just a smidge. I don't understand why, but my streamer bot is not working. I wonder if it's something to do with this game bar. Alright, there we go. Moving up. See if we can get a move up to like 320. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm not seeing why this is not working. Watching the chart, looking for 320 at least here. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. It says game bar is off, but for some reason it's still picking it up in my OBS. Yeah, it's not even picking up my Chrome for some reason. All right, here we go. Tried to get filled there, but now I'm gonna move it up a little because I didn't get filled. Damn. Don't you do it. Don't you come down to 11. No, don't do it. Don't do it. This is strong. No. No. Yes, go. Go higher. Go higher. Go higher. I want another candle like this now. I'd be pretty pissy right now if I was in this trade. I'd be like, come on, drop. But because I'm not in it, I don't want it to drop. It's kind of funny. It feels like it's going to drop. Dang it, man. I'm going to cancel it just for now. I tried to get filled. Would have got 10 points there. Yep, there it goes. Damn it. Dang, that would have been nice. Oh well. Move on. Move on. All right, let's see if marbles is working at least. I mean, Stream Elements is low, or is it Stream Labs? That's something's going on with StreamerBot. It's not loading. Oh, we're up back at the highs here. What a bounce. I don't understand why this isn't working. I'm gonna close it and reopen it, see if that helps. What a move here at the open. These tend to go pretty far, so just be careful. When it starts to do this, it doesn't tend to stop. It's not ready yet, Wawa. I don't know what's going on with StreamerBot. It says I'm connected, but it's not going through. None of the sounds are going through, nothing. Why can't I just wake up one day and this shit works? I mean, look, I'll show you. Maybe reinstall time. Just reinstall Windows again. All right, I'm looking for through 50 now, just FYI on the chart. But I mean, look at this. It says I'm connected. Oh, you know what? I might be connected, but I bet it's not hold on, I think I know what it is. Where is it? Stream apps. Which one? Integration. Crap, I forget which platform. It's YouTube account. Ah, found it. Oops. Found it. Found the problem. I knew it had to be something. It logged me out of YouTube for some reason. Okay, that's working, but now I gotta do this. All right, there we go. So now this should also work. There we go. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Sorry about that. Hit that like button if you haven't already. By the way, Wednesday, I'm going to see Nelly. So Thursday morning, I should be back, but just a heads up that might be late. I don't know. Should be fine. We're coming home Wednesday night after the concert, but just giving you a heads up that wow, this would be nice. Imagine a push to 65 right here. Check out this open. All-time highs, by the way. Tested a bit more my Keltner strategy. I'm NQ 2K ticks and NQ 1K ticks makes Makes do for a good chart to trade in. What do you mean by 2K ticks and 1K ticks? Looking for the blast through 50. Dang. After this push here, remember, we tried to get filled here, looking for the 300 retest. We got it, but didn't get filled. That would have been a nice 15-point trade. At least 10 to 15. So missed that trade. A little unfortunate. Now we're looking for the next level to break. But we're not quite getting that extra push. Stayed away from the open for good reason. Even though it looks like it would have worked. No matter where we would have got in here at the top of any of these candles, it would have worked at least temporarily. But here we are. Still interested in the 65 level, right? Because we got the 50. Keltners are still there. If we can get a break up through there and a push, I'm still game. Chart rather than counting the minutes, like the minute. Oh, the tick chart. I gotcha. Okay. Now I was a little confused. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Come on. Get up there. Get up there.
Order filled.
What a push. Didn't realize we were actually still that far away from the bands. Thought we'd be closer. That's kind of on me. Still looking for the 50 retests.
Order filled.
This is a little out of the realm where I'd like to be, so gonna try to get back down to one contract if we can. Want to give this room. It's a big push. I mean, look at these two candles. It's that candle was bigger than the opening candle. So if we can't rubber band based off of that, then I'm scared. So I'm definitely gonna try to get out one contract and still look for the bigger push down for the other one. Come on, at least give me this one off for now. You dirty dog. I don't know, why is it not showing me the bottom of the candles anymore? It used to show it to me, but now it doesn't. That's so dirty. Literally like 2 ticks. That's dirty. For some reason it's not showing me the I might actually cut one off here if we make new highs and look to get back in. Especially because we didn't get that fill.
Stop filled.
Alright, stopped out one there. See what it does. That's so frustrating because I get out basically almost break even if we get that one fill. A little frustrating there.
Order filled.
Gonna jump back in that contract. Looks like it's trying to get back down into this range. Gonna take that one off if it goes higher. I might actually take the whole thing off if it tries to go higher again. Because this isn't really what I'm looking for, because now we're too far away. It's a full stop in at the highs right now. Come on. Don't do me dirty again. Don't do me dirty again. Are you kidding me? What is this? Look at this. That's twice now. Come on. Are you serious? Like, what is this, man? That's twice. Come on. Are you kidding me? This is a joke. This has to be a freaking joke, man. What a joke. No way this is happening. Twice. Literally ticks. Orders at 68.50. This went to 68.75. Or well, 69. I'm gonna leave it up here. I'm just gonna accept the risk on this. What a joke. I think that would have stopped me right there, actually. Come on. It would have stopped out the one contract anyway. My God, what a joke. What a turn of events that is, man. Like 2 ticks twice. That's crazy. What a craziness, man. God, what a start to the week. Still got my full stop in there. Well, it should be. There should be two contracts up there. Let me make sure. Yeah. Two ticks twice. That's brutal. And it looked like it was just gonna fail too, and then it just didn't. I mean, this if we can finish lower than the current low of this candle, I feel okay. No. Still a green candle. That's crazy. At least come down and give me one, you know? And just making higher lows and the buyers keep stepping in here. This sucks. I just can't believe it got me twice. 2 ticks twice back to back like that. This is a completely different trade if we get that first fill. If we get this first fill, this is because then we add instead of cutting, right? Come on. Are you kidding? There's just a giant buyer right above my order. I mean, I guess I should raise my order that little bit, huh? Whoa, that's so crazy. My one contract sim account is support. Are you kidding? Look at this. Look at it there.
Order filled.
Finally. Jeez. No, let's get the drop base off of that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Make it worthwhile now. I gotta get rid of one of these. Fake out before they go higher, I guess. Come on. Alright. I'm ready to just get out of this thing. I'm still going to accept the risk here, looking for the bigger pullback. If this wants to go back to the highs, I'm just going to take the loss. I think this was a little fake out to the downside. Wow. Yeah, fake out to the downside, run it back up. I should have just took it off. Well, let's see if we can just get back down to here one more time. I'll just take it off. Maybe we get lucky and just get out, hopefully. Because I think that's just break even, really. If not, it looks like it's going to be like a $250, $300 loss. Which is no big deal at the end of the day, but... when you zoom out and look at the move, it's crazy. That's really not a pullback. Pullback would be like to 20, 30, something. But I'll take the stop and we'll look for a new move.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. There's the highs. See if we can actually get another push. We'll look to get back in. So frustrating. All right, let me cancel this order. Now we're looking for through 400. Through 400, we're looking for the trade here. Yeah, this is actually a big move. So good cut so far. We're moving higher. That's so frustrating. 2 ticked twice. Need the 400 break to even do anything. I switched over to MNQ because I was going to start that if it went straight to 400 and kind of stopped, but now I'd be looking for the move up towards like 415. Dang, if this comes back in and then just works, I'm gonna be so pissed. But you see it happen all the time, so I wouldn't be surprised. Right? The same thing they did here, I wouldn't be surprised if they're doing it here. And then they're finally gonna push it back lower. Oh, are you kidding me, man? I have such FOMO right now. It's alright. Came up just to get me. After it couldn't give me my fill. Well, at least it gave me one fill. But if we get this fill, we would have ended up being break even on a tap out there if we got this fill here. Frustrating. That's the frustrating part. Yeah, well, I was thinking the same thing. Well, now we might just sit in no man's land, or we might finally go down and get that 350 test. I think if we get a 350 test, it's going to bounce first like to 380 or so, and then start to kind of fall over. Almost got a weird little head and shoulders possibly if that happens. I'll load up marbles while we're waiting. Big candle there. Wow, look at this. Look at this candle. I almost took that on the MNQ just to get something on the 400 possible reject, but oh well. That was a big candle. Wow, I felt the same way for the most part. Almost got top ticked. All right, let me get more. Oh, did I not start this? I thought I did. I know I did. Hold on. Maybe they have a refresh. Let me, I'm gonna start marbles over again because we kind of messed that up. Let me cancel this. Yeah, well, I'm gonna start it over again because it was all messed up. Yeah, basically, sorry. All right, exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Let's get them all in this time. Exclamation point marbles. That's on me. Feels like the jungle right now. Jeez. Look at that candle, and then it just holds. It's crazy. What a market we're in right now. I really don't want to miss this move back down if we get it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take 2 MNQ, something small here, just to possibly ride this back down. I mean, if it doesn't fall here, I stop at the highs, so nothing. I'm not going crazy here. And it's only 2 MNQ. But my risk reward here is what? I'm risking 10, 11 ticks to possibly make 70. Like, I'd be looking for like 330s. Nice, Juggy. I got 2 ticked twice, man. That was frustrating. If it doesn't pull back here, I'm definitely just gonna take a break from even looking at the chart. Because obviously the market's not doing anything crazy. It is just holding up here. Obviously, if we break higher, I'd be switching back over, looking for the bigger move. 420, etc. I'm looking to get in with a normal move. 420, 425. Are you shorting this? Yeah, I was shorting it. I was looking for the failed follow through there, but it's still looking like they're not done yet.
Trouble though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No.
A little fail attempt at the high there. I thought for sure it would at least sneak through and get me, at least. It still feels like this is a crazy strong move. I mean, shorts are trapped. That's why I'm not looking to stay in a trade. Either it works or it doesn't. Yeah, looks like we're gonna go higher. What a crazy move this is. Like, look at this. That's kind of cool to see. The fact that I'm only down 350 bucks or so is amazing. Yeah, it was close. That track Donald doesn't, once it doesn't, there's no catch up factor. Oh, another rejection so far. It's just hanging out up here. It's crazy. I might actually add to my position here. Nope. I was going to say if we break down, I was going to hit the market button and add, but this is crazy. It's just going to keep going higher. Nuts. Obviously a big seller there. Keeps running into the same price over and over again. It's going to break through though.
Order filled.
All right, I added there. See if we can actually get a nice little pullback. I'm not looking for this to go back above here on that ad, so I'm going to take that break even if it pops back up. I want to see this extend away now. There we go. We can get this fill down here. I'll take, oh, I was going to say I'll take off this stop, but now I kind of want to just stop out completely here. I really don't want to see this go back even close to here. Full stop above this previous candle. I need this to fail. I don't want to see it break up above a previous candle anytime soon here. Where are we at on marbles? We got 1 minute, 30 seconds for marbles. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. We're definitely playing this time. Hit the like button if you're not already. If you haven't already. I'm looking to take off the two I added here, and then I'm looking for the way bigger move with the other two. Look at the...
Stop filled.
What a crazy, crazy move this is this morning. All right. I'm going to go ahead and leave it alone for now and cancel this. We'll switch back over to the NQ just in case we get the real move. Just fake out after fake out. I mean, look at this. Fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out. It's crazy. Everything's a fake out right now. It doesn't matter to me, Juggy. I can tell what color the candle is just by looking at the candle itself. I'll be real sad if this doesn't break the highs now. To think if I just left my stop there, but I doubt it. With that kind of move, I don't really see us not breaking the highs. But what do I know? What do I know? I've been completely wrong thus far this morning. I haven't been completely wrong. I've just barely missed my my orders. Twice I got missed by 2 ticks. On what, 15, 20 point moves? I got missed by 2 ticks. That's just shitty. Don, yeah, it's good to have a shut off. Yep, tomorrow's a new day. It's definitely good to have a shut off. I'm definitely playing it safe from here on out. I mean, if we still haven't got any kind of an actual pullback yet, you know, who knows when it's actually going to happen. The odds of them not trying to break this after touching it 5-6 times is low. I would assume we're going to at least break through and see what's there. And then what it does after that, I have no idea. Do we expand? Maybe. Do we reject it and finally get our pullback? Maybe. Who knows? All right. But for now, I'm going to add some marbles to the track and get that moving. Let's see, we got Donald. Wawa. Here comes the break. Rob. Jason. Don. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just heard ordered filled somewhere. So there they went and swept whatever liquidity was there. Yeah, we'll see what it does. Sorry, I wasn't watching. Who was my last marble on the track? I don't know why it said order filled. No, I have nothing up that actually filled. Maybe that was Tradeify's thing, because I do have their stream up. $23. All right, I got marbles up and rolling. Let's see what happens. We'll watch the chart for a second, then we'll... I'm just amazed at this overall move. And the fact I'm only down 330 bucks. Like, from the open, we went up, what was this, 70 points? 60 points? I'm only down 330. And I actually should be green. That's the worst part. That's the worst part. I should be green shorting this move. But unfortunately, I got missed by 2 ticks twice. Gold did a nice bounce off the orb. Yeah, I saw gold was going crazy this morning. Here we are again, possibly rejecting. Do we just kind of go sideways from here? I don't know, but let's play some marbles, because obviously we're not moving higher just yet. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Jason S. First one up. Oh, it's so loud. Why is it so loud? I took 2 MNQ again with a stop at the highs. Of course course it shot up right after I got in. Not a big deal. I was risking the highs anyway. Wow, a lot of people got eliminated from the race already. That's crazy. We're gonna have 6. I really don't want to miss the bigger move down, even if it's with small size. I'm willing to take a couple paper cuts, at least to try to get it. Why is my camera so big on this? I just noticed. Watching Rob down below us. Whoa. Market, what the heck was that? That just took my stop out. What the heck was that? Somebody just got liquidated or something. Holy crap. Check this out. What the heck was that? I won another 60 bucks. That was somebody like getting liquidated or something. That's crazy. Picked a good time to get back short there, I guess. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. I mean, that had to be some kind of stop out. I mean, you don't get that kind of volume all at once like that unless somebody hits the market button one way or another. That was crazy. Some big boy got liquidated. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. This move is nuts. Somebody hit their daily loss. I mean, I'm nowhere near that. I mean, if I can walk away with a $400 loss, I mean, that's nothing. That sometimes it's just one good win, right? So looking at this move and the fact that I was only down like 330, but I've now taken 2 shorts on the MNQ that have gotten smoked both times. Like, look at this. I literally bottom ticked this because it looked like it was about to roll over again after a fake out to the high side, and I don't know what the heck that was. That sucked. That's what that was. of course, here we are again, looking like I'm sitting out now, right? I'm literally FOMOing in at this point. Imagine if I acted on the idea to put a limit at 425. Well, that would have sucked because we didn't get there. It ticked on MNQ. Oh, it went that high on the MNQ. Oh, it did 425. That's crazy. At least I got filled where my stop was and didn't get the slippage. So I guess that was a positive, I guess. Do I try this one more time? I'd be risking 25 ticks, or 25 points, but I'd be looking for almost 100 or 80 at least. But at this point, I'd almost be just trying to break even, because what did I just lose there? 10, 20, like 20?
Order filled.
Try it one more time. It's 2 MNQ. Risking way too much here. Risking 26, but I'm looking for the much bigger pullback. I'm looking for 80 points. Of course, bottom tick again as of right now. That'd be a $100 loss actually. 25 points, 26 points. Apparently all I gotta do is hit the buy button when I wanna actually hit the sell button. And this is such a FOMO trade. There's nothing good about this trade. This is me just trying to catch the bigger move back down. That's all it is. Where are we at with marbles? 3 minutes and 37 seconds. I was going to say 8, but 7. I did have a $600 payout from my funded. 6 more. Let's go. Good stuff, Wawa. Love to hear it. I mean, this kind of feels like we might move lower. If we break down, I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna put my stop here above these candles. But if we start to move higher, I'm just gonna leave it for now. Man, this is crazy. What a freaking morning. This is crazy. The market definitely is holding. It definitely favors more upside. I mean, I keep trying to catch it, but it's looking like I need to chill. Looks like I need to take a chill pill. All it did was come down. You know, in hindsight, like, look how stupid this short is. I literally shorted it right at previous resistance where it came down to use as support. Like, I'm such an idiot. All because I'm like focused on the macro move, right? I'm more focused on the move back down to 320 area. But the micro move up here, that was so dumb. I should have been looking for a bounce and then a rejection. Not the first not the first attempt at previous resistance where it touched so many times. So dumb. What a crazy, crazy move this morning. This is nuts.
Order filled.
Trying to get my average up here a little bit without too much extra risk. Still full stop at the highs. I mean, even when the selling's trying to come in, it's just not going down, right? It's just sitting there. Just crazy. Like, look at it. You can see the sellers trying, but it's just not doing anything. Like, all, you know how we're always saying the bears take the elevator? Well, the bulls are the ones taking the elevator today. It's crazy. Look at this. That's crazy. All right, yeah. If we get stopped here, I'm definitely done. I might be done for the day because this is. I haven't had a single green trade. Crazy. And the worst part is one of these times it's just gonna be a fake out because all these buyers are gonna stop buying. All these buyers that are buying are gonna stop at some point today, and we're gonna get the big pullback. It's just a matter of when. It's just a matter of when. Looks like buying momentum slowed, but not active selling. I mean, it's still selling, right? It's still people hitting the bid, regardless of how it's happening. Wow. All right. Yep. I'm done for now. This is definitely going to stop us out. I'm going to take my loss and I'm going to lick my wounds and all that stuff. Yeah, it's going to at least tag through, right? They're going to at least try it here. And then we go play marbles. Ooh. It wants me to add one more time so I can take a little bit more of my money.
Order filled.
Told you. I just wanted to get my 2 extra contracts. That's all it wanted. It wanted to grab 2 extra contracts out of me. What's that? An extra 30 bucks or so? The market's nickel and diming me. At least I was smart enough to switch over to the MNQ to do this stupid shit. That's all it wanted. It wanted to get my last 30 bucks for the day. Oh. Elevator. Come on. Elevator it. Nope. They just wanted to fake it out one last time. That's crazy. Like, look at the Bulls, man. They're just stepping in like crazy today. That's insane. It's actually fun to see. Like, I know I'm losing today. It happens, right? But this easily could have been a blow-up day. And it probably was for a lot of people. Because how many people kept getting short, just like I have, but not responsibly? Just, this is nuts. 433.5 current limit sell. We're not getting that like extra crazy volume when we're selling. It's only to the upside. Like, see how it just jumps when people buy? It's not doing that when people sell. I do think eventually it's going to turn and we're going to get that. But the question is when? I want to at least get out to above there. If it lets me. I just don't think it's going to let me. I'd be real surprised if we don't go up and at least test the highs. Like, go through. Especially the way the price action's been. Like I've already accepted the loss. If we get anything back out of this, that's a plus. But I'm not expecting it. Like, this is, I mean, obviously I shouldn't have been in this trade to begin with, right? Like, I was FOMOing, ultimately looking for the bigger move down. But the way that it's trading, it feels just like Jason said. Like, this has, like, it's the feeling that it's just trying to go higher. It's just sucking shorts in along the way over and over again. It's just gonna come tease me. I'm gonna go get a new drink real quick. I was hoping if I walked away, we'd get the drop, but nope. Nope. I kind of wanted to just do one or the other so I can be done with it. I guess I could get marbles ready because that should be done. Yeah. Got anybody new? Don, Emmy, Donald, already got you in there. Jason, you're good. All right, open. Oh, got a nice little, that was a nice little rejection there. 26. The buyers just keep stepping in. All right, I got marbles loaded up. See if we can actually get somewhat of a push down here. Look, it's just fighting. It just fights to go down. So hard. It's just fighting. Like, look at that. It went down, what, like 3 ticks? Like, every little bit lower, it's fighting so hard. But then when it goes back up, it's just like, up, like 3 points. Like, it's nothing. It's like, it's just crazy. It's just, when are they going to let go? When are the buyers who made this move, when are they going to let go? That's when you get the pullback. Can you hold on long enough for that? Whoever was in on this candle sure couldn't. They made that clear. See? Look at that. Just fight to get down, and then boom, 3-4 points up. It's like jab, jab, jab from the bears, and then right hook from the bulls. That's kind of what it feels like. It just needs to let go. See? I mean, look at that. What is that? Like 1 or 2 points? There we go.
Order filled.
There was a little bit of a let go. Now let's see if we can keep it going. Get that second fill. Come on. Or we can get rid of one. Actually, let me get rid of all of them so I can make sure that we're... Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Okay, got that one. All right, now we're going to attempt to hold this. I'm going to risk high a day with this. If it wants to go all the way back to the highs, then so be it. But if this can be an actual pullback, I mean, I'm looking for 320s. But if this wants to go all the way back up to the highs, then so be it. I'll take the loss on those shares or those contracts. Does Take Profit Trader not give you any giveaways for us? So the giveaways that I get from Take Profit Trader, they give to me after a certain amount of people sign up. For a couple months, I had people signing up, but I also had like the cookie for people who have used my code in the past. So like even if they used the site's code, I would still get the affiliation fee. Well, they stopped that. So ever since they stopped that, the people that are using my code are not as much. So I haven't been getting to the point where they give me accounts. I don't have enough people signing up under my code to where I get the accounts to give back to you guys. I was, but I haven't in a long time. Well, not a long time, but it's been a couple months for sure. And it was ever since they took the cookies away. So if you want to get people to sign up, I would gladly give away accounts. I haven't gotten an account from them in a while just because I haven't earned enough through signups with them. I gave away all my accounts that I got from them. I don't have any left. At least 10, I think. What do you mean? All right, let's run marbles while it's kind of just chilling here. I want cookies. Cookies. Nom, 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 nom. Love me some cookies. If we can break through 400, by the way, still watching the chart, that would be good. If we can get under 400 and hold under 400. Got a lot more people alive this time. Sorry, Wick for stops. Got 13 going to the lasers. That's good. Is that everybody? It is. Trader King. Going for it. It's a good line. Stay right, stay right, stay right. Should be good, should be good. Nope. I wasn't even close. Rob going for it. Oh, we have seen that before. Oh no. Nobody's making it. Juggy? Juggy? Oh, at 400 on the chart. Get in there. Nope, not even close. We're going to run it back. Let's run it back. Chart is going lower. Let's run that one back, though. Go, Juggy! Who's getting the shaft? Oh, the chart's giving us the possible move lower, I think. Is this it? Is this some kind of a macro fake out? We're not even back down to my last entry before it pops. Welcome to the jungle, bitch! I really wish that could keep going, but it hits me with the copyright. Ooh, Emmy sliding through the hole there. Ooh, nice. Just got there. Emmy's in. No, somebody, not one person has made it in the hole yet. Oh my geez. No, that's not gonna do it. 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 This might do it. Maybe. 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 Finally. Oh, but the bump. All right, all right, all right. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. We'll do a couple more because we were a little late getting everything set up this morning. We'll do two more. We'll do two more. I got to get the kids at 12 today. I got to get the kids at 12 every day this week. So I have to leave at 12. Just FYI. What's the cash prize at? 125. $5 a week. Goes up $5 a week. $1 a day, basically. I won't be here in 2 weeks. We're going on a cruise. But it'll still go up $5 while I'm not here. But just nobody gets a chance to win. Unless somebody else wants to run it. I don't trust any of you. You'd all cheat. I'd come back and like 10 people will win somehow. All right, still moving down. It's looking good. You know the power move is when the macro move, we're looking for like 320, right? But if we get a big move down into the bands, I switch over to the NQ and play the micro move. Now that's when we're talking. I have a feeling we're going to run into some issues at like 370 though. But if we can get through 370, I think we get a nice big pullback. It's just a matter of them buyers just letting go. But look at all the volume. Where is my volume? Oh, do I not have volume on this chart? Interesting. I would say look at all that volume in this area. If we can get under this area, everyone who's long from here right would then be underwater, right? You got to look at that. So if we can get under 370, all this volume from here over is now underwater if they're long. So that's when we can start to actually get the nice pullback. But they're all hoping right now, right? They're all like, a lot of people could start selling, looking for break even. You know, there's a lot of reasons people would be selling here, but anyone who's possibly long over this 370 area, if it gets under it, they are no longer in the green. So to me, that's where the fun begins. Let me draw that line just because. I guess I got to draw it over here too. Yeah, I just noticed that I don't have volume on this. It's just an indicator. Let's see. Volume. Where is just the normal volume? Is that in the settings? There's a few settings. Chart settings, price levels, no. Ah! Where is the volume? Oh, is it just that? Aha, there it is. I was like, where is it? I know it's here somewhere. $84.5 is my long entry. But I want price to disrespect the band signal hold of my short. Gotcha. I'm expecting some sort of a bounce, right? I can't expect it to just go down forever, even though it did just go up forever, right? But I would like to see it happen relatively quickly because the odds are if it made this big of a move up, it can clearly make that move down. And they love making it look like a U or a V or whatever you want to call it. So I would expect it to happen, if it does happen, relatively fast. Yeah, here's the pullback. Did I start the next marbles? I did, right? Yeah, you got 5 minutes. Exclamation point marbles if you haven't already. Got Emmy, Jason, Don, Donald, Rob, and Wawa. I'm looking for this EMA to obviously hold it down too. I'm looking because I mean look at how it kind of held it up. Now I'd be looking for it to kind of hold it down. I can bring this down. I don't need it to go all the way to the highs. I mean, if we even get back up to like here, I mean, I don't want it. I don't want the trade anymore, right? This like I'm looking for this to trend down. So that is not a trend down if we get back up to there. Not with these current candles. Trying to hold 390. Yeah, we would need to see this come back down and re-break this 85 area for sure. Like I said, there's a bunch of people long here, so they're going to do their best to not let it come back down.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
What up, Liz? You add Liz and VIP. Marbles, you got 2 minutes. Get them in! Exclamation point marbles. Short's got to pick up the pace. We'll see. I'm pulling a Mark Douglas on this one. I'm already in the trade. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I had already accepted my loss. So the fact that we're even down here is better than it was. I was about to be down around 600 bucks. I think if we get here, I can do the math real quick. 20, like 80. We'd be down 400 bucks. So no matter what, I made 200 bucks by it not stopping us out at the highs there. So I can't really complain too much. Dog. This dog. I was really hoping we would break this 385, 386 area on this push here. Because now, if it starts to hold here, now it looks like we're making higher lows. We don't want higher lows. All right, marbles is closed. Make sure I got everybody in there. I did. Hit open. Good to go. Let's run it. Let's run it. Three, two, one, let's go. Code Vala, first one up. That's a good sign. It's a good sign. Let's do it. Chart trying to push down. Liz getting shafted. Who would have thought? Guys, Tradeify is doing a giveaway right now via Marbles as well on their stream. It's for 2 straight to funded accounts, or lightning funded accounts is what they're calling it now. Get ready. Got shafted 3 times. Ooh. Ooh, got a race. Jason's going for. Oh, it's a race. Donald's got the speed though, I think. Yep. Not even close. Jason's in. Get in there. No bump. Go away, lasers. Yes. Come on. Come on. Jason taking me out to lunch. Come on. Get up there. Yes. We got a shot, baby. We got a shot. See if anyone else makes it while we're waiting on Jason. It's not looking good. Nope. All right. Down to Jason. Here we go. Got to gain that speed. Look, he's pondering. He's like, all right, how do I make my way through? Here we go. No. Okay. It's got to pick up some speed. No. 1, 2. Pick up some speed. No. Ah. 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 All right, we're going to run it back while we start the next marbles. Let me get it set up. We'll get some extra races in here. I just took the one laser out. That was it. I made the whole thing bigger so you fall down into the hole. That was it. All right, exclamation point marbles while we run it back. Exclamation point marbles for the next one. The next one's going to be the last one. Dang, so close.
Winning.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ah, so close. I gotta add a sound today too. I forgot about that. For anyone interested in what sounds are currently there, there you go. Oh, the chart is holding that 86 area. Oh, Liz, you got shafted again. Jason's like, I'm going for it. I'm going for it.
Trouble though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit
Oh,
for
come
breakfast?
back down to test it again.
No.
No. What's a sound bite that you guys like that we should add? Donna, they're on a timer, so every 3 minutes. So if someone said it, you got to wait 3 minutes for it to work again. Anybody left? Dan Future's last one. Good. Got 14 attempts, 13 attempts.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
Hit it. Hit it. This one should be good. Dan, you're our last chance, Dan. Chart's looking like it wants to dump. It's going for it. Oh, a little wick through. That's kind of dangerous. Look at this. Look at this wick. They juked us. They juked us.
Gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
Pivot? Oh yeah, pivot would be a good one. Dad, pivot. 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 Oh yeah, gay would be a good one too. Gay. Gay. I remove Ross. Guys, I forgot about it. Ooh, look at this move. Let's go. Check this move out. There's the elevator we've been waiting for. But now we got to get, like I said, we got to get below the 68. Divorce. All right, actions, add. Yay. Okay, sub action, core, play sound.
Gay!
All right, gay is in there. add the other one. Pivot! Pivot! I love it. Pivot! Alright, pivot is now in there. Let's see if we can find like the womp womp. I know that's Froggo's favorite is womp womp. Womp 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 womp. No, don't go back up. Mario dead and beep. Yeah, the beep is good. The beep is good. Womp womp. Alright, womp womp is in there now. What was the other one? It's cash. That's right, the cash register. Cha-ching! Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 2 minutes. It's going to be our last race. Get them in. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Get them in. Oh no, we're headed back up. I don't like it. All right, and cash register. Cash is on there. All right, that's all we're adding today. I did forget about those, so you got lucky. My strategy seems smoother on 200 ticks. 3-point scalps worth $150 per contract. This is true. Also, Super Troopers enhance. 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 Hey, bear fucker, are you in need of assistance? The enhance isn't on there. They got Bearfucker and Farva being asking for if we need his assistance. Do I lower my stop down here? I really don't want to. I'm gonna give it a chance to fake out. Go like right there. All right, marbles. Littering and smoking the reefer. Let's see. Rob, Wawa, Jason, Steve, Donald, Emmy, Liz, Don, Z. Oh, Z joined. And Jack of all trades. What's going on, Jack? You always sneak in here. Z just never enters, but Jack, you always find a way to sneak in there. How many do we have? 37? All right. What did you think of Super Troopers 2? I thought it sucked. GDT, are you not in here? You got to be in the last race. Let me add you. Yeah, I don't think you're in there. Let me add you. Real quick. Eight. All right, let's do it. Last one of the day. 3, 2, 1, get it. Donald, first one up. Oh, did you see me? I got shafted backwards. Getting a push back down a little bit towards that current low of 78. I'm sitting in the corner. What am I doing? Like, there's no way for me to make it. I'm just going to either get shafted or go right into the hole anyway. What are you doing, Code Vala Marble? Like, what is that? You deserve to die. Come on, Don. Get it. That was close. Come on, Donald. Come on, Donald. All right, we're going to run that back. We're going to run that back. Wawa, hopefully it's working. Hopefully, well, I don't know if you were long or short, but I was going to say hopefully you're short, but now it's moving back up. Wolf of Wall Street or Boiler Room? What do I watch tonight? I mean, how many times have you seen each? Code Vala getting by the shaft this time. Let's go. Ooh, Donald. Mother. Ah! All right, one more. One more. Last one. This is the last one. I gotta go. I got a couple things to do. Got shafted that time. Lasers. Fucking lasers, man. All right, it's not meant to be for marbles, and it's looking like we're gonna start moving higher on the chart. We had that one good one, and I thought Jason was gonna win. Jason thought he was gonna win too. You were right there, 2 lasers away, but then you still had to avoid the peg. And it had the line, and then you still only had a 25% chance of it lining up correctly. One good thing is that no long entry is showing up. That's true. I mean, it is making higher lows. If this tries to come down and stops around like 87, I mean, it could. It could. Higher lows, more like liquidity for shorts. I mean, that would be the lower highs, right? I was hoping we got a shot down to this 70 area. I was going to jump over to the NQ and long it. Looking for the retest of this 78 area. Yeah, we're starting to wick higher. If we get through 400, we'll see. Honestly, it depends on what it does when it breaks 402. If it breaks 402 and continues, then so be it. The least I can be down after this trade, or the most I can be down after this trade is like 380. So 380, being down only 380, shorting a move like this, I can't really complain too much. I'll just move on to tomorrow. I'll gladly take a red day of 300, 400 bucks. Oh, there it was. A little bit of a fake out right at that 402 again. Does anybody know how to get the data box to show me the highs and the lows of the candle? Where can I see the highs and lows of the candle itself? I don't see that anywhere. Even on the aha. I had to make it bigger. I didn't see that little I saw it. It was blending in. I was wondering why it disappeared on me. All right, there we go. 402.50. 402.50. Literally ticked the exact same thing. 402.50 on both. Let's stick it right there. Looks better there. NQ still rejecting 23,400. Yeah, we'll see. Still making higher lows though. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. I was getting rid of some of my... Oh, Tradeify's doing Marbles Race. LILDG... DGen. Lil DGen is the code word if you get over there real quick. They're doing 2 Lightning funded accounts, 150Ks. Looking like we're gonna get stopped out. I'm just waiting to get stopped out now because it's just a matter of time. It feels like it looks like it's gonna keep rolling over, and then it hasn't made a lower low, since here. And look, literally every time it's tried to go lower, it's actually higher every time. It's crazy. I guess right here it broke the low there, but it's still higher than the actual pullback candles. Got to book some profits. I mean, it's there. I did book a little profit on these two, and this one would be essentially break even. I was looking for the way bigger move down to like 320. I mean, I guess I could have took like one off, but I was if I were to do that, I was waiting till this area anyway. We didn't even get down to where I was looking. I was looking for this 368 area. Switch the ES banking for a failed breakout towards the highs. Oh, here we go again. Are we actually going to make a lower low? It's trying. Let's trade. Done with Tradeify TV. Why? Because you can't win the marbles race. It's a little harder with 350 people. They upped it too. It used to be 300, but now they're doing 350. I was on the leaderboard a couple times over there today. Marbles are whack. Never see my name even on the list when it's done. My Funded Futures. So I'm not gonna lie. My Funded Futures stream it's a little harder to watch, but at the same time, like they're all kind of the same thing, right? They're all just entertainment while we wait for some trades. streams are a replacement for voices in my head. It's true. It's true. I know. I have to be out of here at 12. I'm just gonna leave my stop in. I mean, I'm looking for much more for take profit. I doubt that we get to 320 like instantly while I'm gone for like 20-25 minutes. And I don't even want to mess with OCOing. So I don't even know if you can do that in Tradeify. So I'm just gonna leave it. Hopefully when I come back, we're sitting at like 340 and working our way down. Well, I think the reason, Donald, is because I'm not sitting here trying to fake anything, you know? I'm not trying to fake participation. I'm not trying to do any of that. I'm just hanging out, right? And that's kind of what I've always been. And I think that's why I don't attract the wrong people, I guess is the best way to say it. Man, I really thought we were going to get that move down there. Or, well, I guess I was biasly hoping we were going to get the move down there. We finally made a couple lower lows. And it was so far just a fake out. But you attract the naughty people? That's just you. That's just you. That's just you. I'll give this until 11:50 and then I'm gonna get out of here. My name is Z and I like porn. I have an addiction. I thought we were gonna get stopped out here. Excuse me. I thought we were gonna get stopped out here. Then I was like, ooh, fake out. Now let's work it down. And we were. And I was like, okay, I think we're gonna at least get the move back down to 80. But we didn't even get close. We didn't even get under 90. But I can't watch it because Texas blocked it. Oh, I forgot about that. How dumb is that? Just use a VPN. What happened to freedom? You can't even watch it on your phone? I guess it goes off your IP address. Pretty much.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Sounds. Good old Steve. Steve and his sounds. I love that one.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch! Winning.
Run.
Pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No.
No.
Gay!
Gay. Come on. Either stop me out or drop. Do one of the two. Sideways crap. Come on, come on. Hey, look, is that our first doji candle? Oh, no, there's one over here, too. Oh, there was one here, too. And one there. Jeez, I'm blind. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place. You guys, my stop's at 412. I'm not moving it. So if you're watching, that's on the MNQ. MNQ 412, that's where my stop is. My take profit, I'm waiting until 320 area, like I said before. Honestly, I'd want to see it get to like 310. That's ideally what I'm looking for a final take profit on this trade if it works. So what am I risking at this point? 11 points for 90 points. So that's the trade I'm looking for at this point. I'm gonna leave it just like this, but it's looking like it wants to move higher. I mean, look at this. I mean, we're literally forming a line, a trend line here. It's hard to believe. I mean, unless we can break this and actually come back down and retest this 80 area, I don't really see us not trying higher. But I am out of here. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a good rest of your day, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.